Hey there, travel lovers. If you're dreaming of a cozy getaway in the heart of Brazil's most charming winter wonderland, I've got the perfect spot for you, AP Gramado Knorrville. Seriously, this place is like stepping into a fairy tale. And guess what? You can book it instantly with the QR code flashing on your screen right now. Let me tell you why you're going to fall in love with this place. Picture this, a warm, inviting apartment with a crackling fireplace. Yes, a real fireplace, where you can snuggle up after a day exploring Gramado's magical streets. This gem sleeps for comfortably, blending modern comforts with rustic charm. You'll find a full kitchen ready for whipping up hot chocolate or local treats, a living room with a flat-screen TV for movie nights, and the coziest seating area to unwind in. And let's talk about the details: fluffy towels, soft linens, and even streaming services for those lazy evenings in. But wait, there's more. The whole property feels like a hug from Gramado itself. There's a sweet coffee shop to fuel your mornings, a sun terrace for soaking up those crisp mountain views, and even an outdoor fireplace for stargazing with a cup of wine in hand. Traveling with kids? They'll go wild for the indoor play area, outdoor games, and a dedicated kids club, because happy kids mean relaxed parents. Am I right? Oh, and did I mention the location? You're just moments from Gramado's iconic sites, like St. Peter's Church and the enchanting Black Lake. Plus, parking is totally free, and there's 24-hour security, so you can explore worry-free. Whether you're here for the famous Festival's Palace or just to wander the storybook streets, this apartment is your perfect home base. So, what are you waiting for? Tap that QR code or hit the link below to book your slice of Gramado magic at AP Gramado Knorrville. Trust me, you'll want to return before you've even left. Happy travels, friends.